Welcome to the demo video of our restaurant manager. How you can manage your own restaurant. We have a point of sale. We have where you have to just introduce your stock, and then how to manage the sale, within the day or within a week. Alright, there we go. Then I will quickly double click to open my restaurant manager. Very good. Okay, let's wait for it to open. Now it is opened. Welcome to the point of sale application. Please log in with your user ID and password. So before anybody can access this application on my laptop, on my machine, the person will have to log in with the required ID and then password. Either than that, it will not work. So let me log in. Let me introduce my username. Okay, the username I use, Charles N-A-J at gmail.com. Gmail.com. Ideally, this is my official Gmail account. Then password, my password. Okay, it has been created in such a way that when you are introducing your password, it will not be seen by anyone. Let me log in. Right. So the moment you log in, you see that you have successfully logged in. Okay, let me come to okay. Very good. So this is my home page. But let me go back and just teach you something. When I sign out, are you sure you want to log out? Yes. It brings me to this place where I have to log in again. So let me try and log in with the wrong ID. Okay, let me provide the correct ID, Charles N-A-J-I. Password, let me just enter in a wrong password and see what happens. You have entered incorrect info. So if anybody get access to your machine and wants to just monitor your sale and does not have your password, he or she cannot use it. So here you will be asked whether you want to just close it. We have created it in such a way that when it doesn't work, you will either have to save and close, or you don't save. So I now want to log in, so I will not close my workbooks. I will cancel and come and then log in with the correct info. So very good. Let me log in. Wow. So it is nicely logged in. When I come to the home page, there is nothing I want to use the tools for. But in case I want to use the tools, I can come here to show the tools. These are the tools I'm talking about. I'll click here. It has been designed. I have introduced some kind of code to show these tools. Here I'll show. If I want to hide them, I'll click here and I'll hide. Very good. Now this is where you can sign out. When you finish working or you are moving out and you want to sign out so that no outsider can come and then manipulate your application, you can just sign out here and you go. Then if I am giving out this particular application to someone else and the person wants to change the password, this is where you can change the password. When you click here, it will take you to the sheet where we have our password. So when I click here, it will take me here. So this is the password I used to log in. I can change it to my own preference. So if I change it, this one cannot work again except what I have in this. So it has been developed in such a way that my user ID should be what is in cell A2. Sorry. And then my password should be what is in cell B2. Alright. Now let me come back and okay, look at this. This one will just take you home every day. That button will take you home. So item database, point of sale, and sale history. Now where I have the items that I am selling with their respective prices. Yes. And this is where I'll do the selling. and issue receipt. And this is where I'll monitor the number of items sold within the day or a period, and also look at how much I have sold within the day. So let me come to the items database. Very good. So these are the items that I have in my restaurant. All the categories are food. You see food here. This was designed for someone else and for a purpose. So we have the category to be food. We have plain rice with chicken. The category is food. We have created a category because we are also going to deal with drinks. So the person who ordered me to do this told me that she will be adding drinks to it. Very good. So that's why I have the category. Sometimes I'll be adding description, but this time I prefer using this one. Okay, I have all these. I have about 20 items. And I've created a home button and then the add item button in such a way that when I scroll down, I can still be using them. It's just a duplicate. It's just a duplicate. I can have as many items as I want. As many items. I can have more than 2,000 items in my shop. Yes, and I will have to take the pain to introduce all of them. Okay, so let me go up. Let me come up. Now, these are my prices. These are my categories, and these are the names, and these are the IDs. The IDs are very important because they shall be used for the selling. They shall be used for the selling. So if you have your stock, give all your stock a peculiar ID. I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the rest. When you go to Mailcom, they use some peculiar IDs. They have to scan with a code reader or scanner or something. Yes, they have been giving code to each item. And that is exactly what we want to introduce here. So whatever item that you have, you should give a peculiar code so that you use the code to sell. So that when you are selling, there is no need for you to just type plain rice with chicken. It's going to waste time. Just enter the ID and you are good to go. When we get to the point of sale, you get to know what you are talking about. Now, I want to add an item. How do I go about it? I will click on add item, and a module, a form will be given me so that I can add item. Very good. So this is the item that I would like to add. Okay, let me add one more. Let me add one more drink. So the ID, the last one is 20. The next one should be 21. Please make sure that the ID numbers don't contradict. Don't get the same ID at the same time. And even I have created this in such a way that when we have a duplicate, it will be highlighted. So let me just introduce this Don Simon. I'm introducing one thing, Don Simon. Category drinks. Okay, drinks. And the price should be 25 cedis. So when you just get access to this, you can just be changing your prices. Very good. Then I am adding. I'll click on add. And when I close it, saved successfully. When I close it, I see the ID 21, Don Simon. The category is drinks, and the price is 25 cedis. Let me add one more. Okay, so the next one will be 22. The name of the item will be let me just Fruteli. Okay, if I have Don Simon, then I must have Fruteli. Okay, Fruteli. Okay, so that one too is drink. Okay, let me be consistent. Drink. And then the price, let me assume the price is 13 cedis. I'm just giving my prices. Then I will click on add. Very good. So I have that one too here. So the moment you add, the form is refreshed so that you can enter the new one. Now let's look at something here. I want to change the price of an item, especially jollof rice with chicken. I want to change it from 20 cedis to 30 cedis as one plate. So when you buy one plate of jollof rice with chicken in my restaurant, then you will have to just pay 30 cedis. This, let's assume the 20 cedi is the normal or the previous price, but this I want to update it. So how do I go about it? I will come and click here, search ID. We want to search. So I will search using the IDs. That's why we have to search with ID. So jollof rice with chicken is ID number 5. You see 5 here. 5. Let me click 5. Just monitor it. And then I click on search. Good. So search 5 contains jollof rice with chicken. Category is food. Price is 20 cedis. Okay. Now, okay, I use dollars, 20 US dollars. Okay, that's good. Then I want to change it. Let me change this so to 30 cedis. 30 cedis. Then this time I am not adding. I am rather updating. So I will click on update. Update. Data updated successfully. Very good. So let's come and see. Jollof rice with chicken is now 30 cedis. Very good. Now I want to delete an item. Maybe I want to delete the last one, which is Fruitally. Let me just click here. So Fruitally is item number 22. As you see here, I will search first, and after searching, I will click on delete. Data deleted successfully. So monitor here. Have you seen that it is gone? Very good. Good. So another way, maybe I want to update an item, but I can't see the thing very well. Maybe there's a wide range of items in my database or in my shop. So how do I find the ID? I'll come to verify. When I come to verify, I'll come to choose ID, and then let me just press 1. When I press 1 or whatever, all the items I have here will show. So which one do I want to update? I want to update Banku with pepper and tilapia. So it is ID number 10. Okay, then let me come back and then enter 10 here, and then let me search. So Banku with pepper and tilapia. I am changing the price to 70 cedis. Let me update. So item number 10. Let me bring this down. Where is it? Okay, so item number 10, I have what? 70 cedis. Perfect. Now let's go to the point of sale. Home. You come home. Then you come to point of sale. Very good. This is where we are going to sell our items. Now, let us introduce something here. Who is the cashier at the moment? Change the name of the cashier. And this will tell you who is working at that particular moment. So right now, I have Madam Millicent. Madam Millicent. Oh, come on. Madam Millicent as my cashier. She's selling at the moment. And look at this. It has been formatted in such a way that the very time I do the selling, the date and the time will show. When I go to the sales history, we shall see that the receipt number 2 will be given. And then you can change this to the name of your restaurants or whatever. You can give address. You can just enter a telephone number and then a whole lot. Alright, so this is how we are going to go about the selling. So I have my IDs. Let me go and check. Verify or search ID. Okay, let me go check. Let me find an ID so that I sell. Somebody wants to buy fried rice with chicken. Fried rice with chicken. How many plates? So in the first instance, we know that the person is buying fried rice and chicken. The ID is 3. Okay. So this is where I have my items. I'll scan my items here. I don't have a scanner, so I'll do it manually. So what do I have to do? I will enter the code. So the code is number 3. The moment I enter, the item name will come, the category will come, and then the price and the quantity I want to sell. Let's see. Very good. So fried rice with chicken is here. The price is 20 cedis. You see, we have in our receipt here. So this is what we have right now. And you see that the time has changed. It is now 11:59. Very good. Now let's see the changes we can make here. Very good. Now the quantity is 1 plate. The person is buying just 1. If I change it to 2, let me clear this. Let me delete the 1 and enter 2. When I change it to 2, here will change. So the 2 plates of the fried rice and chicken will be 40 cedis. Will be 40 cedis. Okay, maybe the person bought 3. I'll just click anywhere. So 3, the person is paying 60 cedis. Very good. 60 cedis. Now, that is not the only item the person is buying. Maybe the person wants to buy another thing. I have one thing is that have all your items ID pasted somewhere so that you can use them for your selling. Either than that, you'll have to come here and then you check. You check for the ID. You check for the ID. This one too is so simple. So after that, the person just wanted to buy kebab, gizzard, and sausage. That one is 20. Item ID 20. So here we have 20. We have 20. Scan. It is kebab, gizzard, and sausage. So it is, the category is food. One is 15 cedis. Maybe the person bought 5. So 15 times 5. When I click anywhere, it will show. So 15 cedis, and then we have 5. And then we have, the person has 75 cedis to pay. Now look at this. 75 and 60. 75 and 60. Here I have what the person has to buy. So the person has to pay me 135 cedis. When you come down, after everything it will show. So 135 cedis. Now, is the person paying in cash? I will choose here. Is the person paying in using a card, maybe ATM card or whatever? Maybe if using a check. Oh, sorry, check was wrongly spelled. I'll correct it. Maybe you want to use check. I'll choose this. But here, mostly we shall be using cash. Now, how much did the person give me? The person bought 135 and gave me 150. So this time to the database will be doing everything for you. So the person has paid 150. So I'll give him a change of 15 Ghana cedis. Okay, now look at this. I want to print the receipt. Maybe it's the company that came and I want to print the receipt. I'll just come to print. Very good. If I have my printer connected, this time I want to print to PDF. So let me go back. But look at this. Look at it. If I have my printer connected, this what I will see. So fried rice with chicken. The quantity was 3, price 20, and the total is 60. Kebab, gizzard, and then sausage. That one to 15 cedis, and then the person bought 5, 75. So the subtotal is 135. We don't have any tax for the person to pay. You see the tax. We have a tax here. The tax we have is 00. The tax is 00. Tax is 00. Very good. Tax is 00. And then, because we have nothing here, so because we have nothing here, it is only the subtotal that will be recorded. So we have 135 cedis to pay. So after everything, then the database will just thank you. So this one is waiting for the final item to come before it will appear. This is how we have designed it. And look at it, 1035 has to tell me the receipt number. 1035 is the receipt number. So if anybody comes to buy anything and I want to cross check and see something, about what a person bought, I can use the receipt number to check. Very good. So receipt number is the same as this. So you see, the moment I want to point the date and the day and the time will show. Currently it is 12:04. So I issue the command around 12:02. Very good. Very good. Now look at this. Look at this. I am done with this. I want to go to the next. So the next item, next customer has come. Okay, let me just, it is the next customer has come. So I'll click on next. Everything is gone. So the person is buying an item, and the item is item number 9. Item number 9 is food, and it's yam chips with meat. One is 20 cedis. He bought 4. He bought 4. So that is all. If I'm not printing, no problem. If I'm not printing, then I'll just click on next. I'm not printing. So I've sold about 2, 3, 4 items. Then another person has come. He is buying item number 8, potatoes with chips, and then that one is 20 cedis. Look at the time. The time is moving. Okay, and then he's buying 9. Sorry, I have to clear first. You see, when you have this, there's no problem. You can clear and it will go. When you clear, it is gone. When you clear, it is gone. So I meant 9. So I have 9 here. Okay, so the 9 has been introduced. I am done. The person is gone. Next. All right. Now let me go back to monitor what I have done. Monitor what I have done. I'll come home and I will choose sales history. Sales history. Very good. So when I come, the receipt number 1035. They say on the same receipt number 1035, it means the same person bought these 2 items. One person visited the shop or the restaurant and bought fried rice with chicken, and at the same time kebab with, let me open it a bit. At the same time kebab, gizzard and sausage. Okay, so the kebab is gizzard and sausage. He bought 5 items. The unit price is 15 cedis. The person bought 75. The second person bought, how do you call it? Okay, so it's just one person who bought all this. The second person walked in. Because it's the second person, the receipt number has changed. You see, so 1036. So 80 cedis. He bought this and that. He bought 4. One was 20. So the 4 is 80. Now the next one bought potatoes chips with meat, and that one too is 20 cedis. He bought 9, and it's 180 cedis. So from 24th March 2023 to 24th March 2023. So from 12/4 to 12/5, I have made a sale of 395 cedis. So when you add all this, you see that it is 395 cedis. Let me go and do more selling and come back. Okay, point of sale. Okay, somebody came to buy item number 21. Item number 21. Don Simon. Okay, he bought 1. Another person came. He maybe bought item number 13. We assume that I have all the items on my fingertips, or all the items printed somewhere on the wall, so that the person using a point of sale can quickly make reference. Either than that, he has to use the verify or search ID. So okay, he bought rice, bought soup. The same person after that. You see, until you have clicked on next, whatever item that you input will appear on the same receipt. It means the same person is doing the buying. Alright, so now he has bought this, and then he wants to also buy item 21. Okay, after that he wants to also buy item 3. Okay, after that he's buying item 7. Alright, so you see the same person is buying this and that. Okay, let me keep introducing more. So that I show you to something else. Item 6. Okay, he also bought item 19. And as for item 19, he didn't buy 1. He bought 4. Salad with whatever. Salad with meat. He bought 4. So it has changed. Okay, let's enter another item, item 8. Very good. So look at this. These keypads have been created to just enter a digit once. Please, if you have IDs that are 2 digits or more, please use the keyboard for me. Use the keyboard for me. So if it is 12, 1, 2, and you see it is showing. But if it is here, I want to click 1, 2. You see, so 1 will show and 2 will also what? Show. So 1 will show, 2 will show. I can't just click 23. The moment I click 2, item 2 will come. The moment I click 3, item 3 will come. Very good. So let me just change the quantity to 4. Okay, I am done. Next. Very good. Then let me go back. Let me go back and then check my sales history. Right now, these are the sales that I've made. Right now. So 10:39. So from here to here, one person came and did this shopping. As you could see. Very good. So right now, from the first place to this place, I have 785 CDs items sold. I have 785 CDs items sold. Now look at this. When I want to begin a new day, I will select everything and then I'll clear. Don't worry, I will create a button that will help me to clear everything just once. I will create it very here. So now that we don't have the button, let's click on clear content. Everything is gone. So I've not made any sale for now. So that is perfect. Alright. So one more feature that you can add to this. Maybe you don't want the person working for you to know how the sale is moving so that he makes any utterance. You can log this. You can log the item database. You can also log the sales history so that you give the person working for you the access to use the point of sale. Very good. Alright, thank you very much for watching. This is how the point of sale will work for you. You can use it in the bar, you can use it in a restaurant, you can use it in a provision shop, you can use it in a supermarket, you can use it for all type of sales. And then you can contact us for your copy. These are available for sale. We have a lot of applications that are available for sale. You can contact us for your own copy. We will lead you as to how to use it. And then if you also have anything in mind that you want us to create for you, you can just link up with us. We will have time, we will create it neatly for you so that Excel will make the work convenient for you. Very good. Thank you very much. The quick announcement we want to make is that currently we are having a live program on both WhatsApp and then Telegram. So if you are interested, you can just contact the CEO of Entech Computing Institute, and then you shall be added to the active group. Thank you very much and stay connected until we meet again. Bye bye.